First thing first, in SQL, we have to create a database which stores related tables and data by writing create database coding society. Here, create and database is a keyword and coding society is the name of database.
The semicolon is used to end the line. After then, select the line and press this button of Thunder. This button runs the selected code. Here you can see that our database is successfully created. The next line is use coding society. The next line is create a table coding S. This line is a create a table named coding S in SQL. Inside the semicolon, we will write the data type in SQL. As we can see in table, first is the SID means student ID, which is written in an int, and we end this line by comma. Sname is a text column up to 30 character for the student's name. So the data type we use here is a varchar. Next is the B code is an integer for a branch code. B name is a text field up to 10 character for a branch name. At the end, HODNM stores the HOD name limited to 5 character. So to see the table, we have to write select asterisk. Here asterisk means all columns. Select all from coding S. Run this line and we can see the titles of the table: student ID, student name, branch code, branch name, and HOD name. Now we are going to insert the data inside the table. Insert keyword is used. Insert into coding S. In next line, we have to just SID, S name, B code, B name, and HODNM between the parentheses. The value keyword is used mainly to insert data into table or represent a set of value in queries. It adds the student ID 1, student name Ankit, branch code numbers 101, branch code 101, branch name CS, HOD name XYZ. Now we just have to add the further student information. Just select the line and run this code. Data is successfully inserted in our coding S table.
To see the table, run this line. Select all from coding S. Take a look on the table which we have created using SQL. We can compare this to table. We can